Hi
Hey guys,
guys!
this is Manila.
This is Arella. And for today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Here. If you had a magic wand, what would you do with it? Magic wand.
Make disabled able.
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 Wow, that's nice naman. Ano ba yung masasabi mong mga disabled persons?
Thank you po.
Hindi, I mean, how do you describe a disabled person?
Di makaisip ng mabuti.
One thing, what else?
Di makalakad.
Very good. What else?
Di makasalita.
Very good. What else?
Di makarinig.
Very good. What else?
Di makalakad.
You said that before.
Ay,
You said that already. Pero okay na yan.
di makakain.
Hindi na yun. Mamamatay yun pag hindi, pag hindi yun makakain, mamamatay siya. So, tama ka naman. At ano lang kita, ni-refresh ko lang yung
Brain ko.
brain mo kung naiintindihan mo ang mga disabled persons. Pero ang ganda naman ng gagawin mo sa kanila. Arella wants those disabled persons to be able. Kasi
And
disabled.
you know, I will, if the bad peoples are laughing at them, I will make the bad peoples disabled to learn their lesson.
Okay, tama naman. Paparusahan natin yung mga bad people, no? Yun naman ang gagawin mo.
And when they learn the lesson, I will turn them to normal.
Wow, very good
If they learn
naman.
their lesson.
Yeah, kapag ibig mo sabihin, yung mga bad persons, pag bumait na sila, ibabalik mo naman sila sa normal na sila. Tama naman, good job naman yun. Well, natutuwa naman ako.
Yeah!
At least, wala na mga disabled persons in the world dahil ma-magic ni Arella. Very good. Is there anything else you want to do with your magic wand?
Ikaw,
Me?
don't copy mine because if you copy mine, it's not
Ako naman,
Mommy.
what I'm gonna do with my wand? Pag ganun ko
You
ng
want money?
pag ganun ko ng wand,
You will
hindi, pero ang pinaka number one, there'll be peace on earth.
magic wand nga eh!
Magagano ko yung magic wand. Lahat ng mga nag-aaway, magkakabati na sila. Lahat doon sa country na mayroong war.
Israel!
Di ba doon sa country na may war, tapos na yung war kasi minagic ko na sila. Di ba? Maganda rin yun.
Yung second.
Kasi I want peace. We all
Sabi
want
mo nga
peace
yun
on
eh.
earth. Di ba?
Sinabi mo na yun.
What else? Tadaan! Lahat ng tao may pera. wala nang maghihirap ng tao, di ba? Wala nang beggars sa street.
Grabe yun.
Hindi naman magkakapera kundi
May bahay.
I want the jobless to have jobs. Yun. Para wala nang beggars sa streets, di ba? Okay? Di ba? Nice. Ganda nung
Makes sense.
gagawin namin. Makes sense. Ganda
Sa akin mas make sense. More make sense.
Yeah, mas maganda rin syempre yung sinabi ni Arella. And it's a good job. Diba? Hindi inisip ni Arella yung para sa sarili niya. Inisip niya ang para sa ibang tao. Good job.
Eh, syempre na nga, malapit na birthday ko eh. I don't need to wish for myself.
Yeah, very good naman. Kaya nga sabi ko, very good.
Wish those who are in need.
Yes, very good. Good good job. Diba? Ang ganda na sagot ni Ren.
Kaya nga si Catriona Gray, she was inspired by people because she gave clothes to babies that don't have that many clothes.
Very good naman siya. Nakita mo yan?
Catriona Gray.
Tama ka na rin. Tama talaga yung nag-share ka sa ibang tao na nangangailangan. Good answer.
Hindi nagsisingaling lang. Wala akong pera.
Well, very good. Good job. I love your answer. Well, very good job. Gayahin kids. So, kayo ha. Gayahin niyo si Arella ha.
Kung ikaw, bad kids kayo, papalusahin kita. May magic wand na ako. Yan.
Okay. Thank you for answering my question. And thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye, God bless.